episode of Heart to Palate. Today I'm going to share Diwali special recipe chakli, and this is my mother-in-law's recipe. So when we learn our cooking, we learn from both the sides of the family. This is a recipe I learned from my mother-in-law, and her tricks are amazing when it comes to chakli making, and you won't go wrong with it. So I'm going to share the tricks what she does to make the chakli perfect, kurkurit and chan khuskushit chakli. So let's get started. So I've taken keprachi bhajani because I don't get homemade bhajani here. So I'm using kepra bhajani, and I'm taking about 1 kg of kepra bhajani, which makes about 11 this katoris or वाट्या, 11 वाट्या होतात ह्या, आणि फ्लॅट करून ह्या वाट्या घ्यायच्यात. That's what my mother-in-law does when she's making the chakli. She takes flattened wati measurement साठी, and this comes to about 3/4 cup of regular US measurement cup. I'm going to give you the description in the description box also with the measurements. And she uses this ladle for measurement of oil, and this ladle is about 1 1/2 tablespoon of oil. For each katori of this kepra bhajani, I'm using this ladle full of oil, and I'm going to heat it up till actually the fumes come out. जर वाफा येस तर ते तेल गरम करायचं चांगलं, आणि then I add this oil to the bhajani, and we make sure that it's all rubbed in very well to the flour. Keep it aside for about an hour or two, and then we start making the chakli. Now this is the last ladle of oil. That is because I have 11 vatis, so I'm taking 11 ladle full of this oil. पूर्ण भरून घ्यायची ही पळी. So these are the trick equipments that I have for my chakli. This particular ladle, which is वरणाची पळी आपली, आणि छोटी regular size वाटी. Okay, so now I'm going to turn on the heat, and we have to heat up the oil until you actually get that fumes coming out. And I've also added about 1/4 cup of teer extra on top of the bhajani. It has a little bit, but I like little extra teer. So now you can see I've kept the oil for heating up, and we have to wait until it actually gives out the fumes. You have to heat it up to that stage, and then we add this hot oil to our bhajani along with the teer extra added on top of the bhajani, and let's wait till it gives out the nice fumes. Now this is the stage where you can see the fumes coming out. This is where you have to boil the oil up to, and be careful when you're pouring the oil over it. And it took me about 10 to 12 minutes because it was that much oil. But if you're going to make half a kg, definitely you will require less time for boiling up the oil. And look at that, you can see the fumes coming out now. And turn off the heat and add the oil slowly. So I'm going to add this oil to the bhajani now, and keep stirring it. एखादा कालथा किंवा फ्लॅट लॅडल घेऊन उलटणं घेऊन just keep stirring it. It's really hot. So I've added the entire oil to the bhajani now, and with the kaltha or ulatna, you have to keep stirring it, and eventually you'll have to rub in that oil to each and every grain of the flour. But this is a little too hot right now, and keep stirring it first. So once you add the oil, the hot oil, just keep stirring it, and you have to make sure you completely rub in that thing like this. हातावर असं छान मळून घ्यायचं सगळं ते. सो प्रत्येक कणाकणाला असं ते लागलं पाहिजे. Now it's not that hot. It's been almost 5 minutes that I added the oil, and I had stirred that with the ladle, so it's not that hot. But make sure you keep rubbing that in so each and every grain of this bhajani flour gets that oil. And after mixing it well, you keep this aside for about an hour or two, and then you start making the chaklis. So छान मळून घ्यायचं आहे. So one of the steps that when we make chakli, my mother-in-law always said that use the water which is like boiled previously and cool it down, and that's the cold water we are going to use to knead our dough for the chakli. Okay, this is very crucial step. I don't know what is the logic behind it, but it works perfectly fine. I've been using it for years now, and that's the key step, I would say. So boiling water in one separate pan I've taken, and there's no measurement to it. It's just you are going to use it as you need when you're kneading the dough, and just boil it completely and then turn off the gas and cool it down, and that cold water we are going to use to knead the dough. So it's been exactly an hour and a half since I had applied the oil, hot oil, to the bhajani flour. Now we have to start kneading it, but you don't take entire amount at a time. You take maybe couple of cups, like 2 cups right now I would say I've taken. And I told you that the water, I had boiled it and kept it aside, and it's all cooled down. That's the water I'm going to use to knead the dough. I don't know the science behind it, but this method really works, and that's my mother-in-law's trick, which I've been using for so many years now to make my chakli. Hope you guys also would like to use this trick and make nice kurkurit and khuskushit chakliya. So I'm going to start kneading it. Make sure you knead it well. There should not be any lumps or anything. Okay, like so. And the consistency is not too tight, not too loose. You can see, almost like your roti ka atta, I would say, similar to that. Okay, so now the dough is nicely kneaded. So I'm going to put it in the chakli patra or chakli press and start making the chaklis. Roll it like a cylinder and put it in your chakli patra or instrument that you're going to make your chakli press, it's called, that you're going to use to make your chaklis. And the one portion which is left over, make sure you cover it, don't leave it like that, it gets dry. So leave it aside, and now we're going to make the chaklis. I've also kept the oil for heating in the meantime. Okay, the trick to making perfect kurkurit and khuskushit chakli is to have fry it properly. I never used to let us fry this. That was her domain. Nobody was allowed to touch frying chaklis. So that's a tricky part of it, making perfect chaklis. My Aji used to be very peculiar about making the chakli shape. She had to have this round inside and only 3 rounds after that. So all her chaklis used to be so uniform that every chakli would have the same shape. And that's how we are used, like we grew up looking at the chaklis which are perfect. Even my eyes chaklis used to be perfectly shaped. So when you're putting the chakli, first round and after that 3 circles, that's how the size of the chakli used to be. My Aji used to make, or my eye, even my eye. So they used to be all uniform. आणि फराळ आपण करतो तो म्हणजे दिसायला छान दिसला पाहिजे आपल्या डोळ्याला खाण्याच्या आधी. That used to be my mom's logic. So just press it a little bit at the end, and now we're going to go and fry. The trick to see if your oil is hot enough or not, just drop one thing and you'll see it popping up right away. That means you know your oil is perfectly hot now, and that's when you start putting your chutneys. Okay, and I'm going to start putting the chaklis in the oil now. Slowly, you have to put it from the sides. Now trick is, you don't touch the chaklis until they stop bubbling up. You will see the bubbles have stopped coming, and that's when you turn them over. You don't keep flipping the chaklis over and over again. That's the trick. So wait till you see the bubbles are, slowly disappearing. That's when you flip your chakli. That's why my mom never used to let anybody fry her chaklis anytime. Now you must have seen, look at the bubbles, they're reduced now, number of bubbles coming up. So now is the time to flip them over. So if you try to flip the chakli earlier, there will be more chances of breaking the chaklis before you even flip it over. Now let's try to flip one by one, slowly. एकदम हलक्या हाताने टर्न करायची. So about a minute on one side, that's what we did, and now we turned it over. And the trick to check if the chaklis are done or not, take one chakli and just break a little bit piece. I'm going to just show it how to do it. Curry असते ती फक्त थोडीशी तोडून बघायची. ती कुरकुरीत लागली दाताला की ते परफेक्ट आहे. It's almost 30-40 seconds now, so let's see. And eventually the chaklis settle down, like they go to the bottom a little bit. That's when you know it's almost done. So now just take out one of them and the side. एखादी करीचा असा छोटासा, look at that tiny bit piece of it. I'll show you. करी असते ती थोडी फक्त तोडून पाहिजे. And when you know that is crispy, that's when your chakli is done. Look at that. This design thing, so you just break it off like this, and that should be crispy. Yes, your chaklis are done. So this one I'm going to take it out already, and let's remove the dust. Make sure you drain it on the tissue paper. Let it cool it off on a plate first, and then put it on the bigger plate to cool it off, and then only you store it. Garam chakliya आतमध्ये भरायच्या. You can see the chaklis. Just let them drain on this tissue paper. Now chakliya are ready. I made about 78 pieces in 1 kg of bhajani flour. The recipe is in the description box below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe Heart to Palate. Happy Diwali to all of you from Heart to Palate.